HSI Services' larger Aqua-Barrier dams can seem a bit daunting to repack in the field. Today, we will demonstrate how to properly fold and roll this large Aqua-Barrier. Once your Aqua-Barrier is totally deflated, spread 4 workers evenly on one side of the barrier. Be sure to stand with your back towards the center and grab the edge. As a team, lift and pull all at once for your first fold, bringing the edge of the barrier to the center before flattening and straightening. Repeat on the opposite side. Then fold each half again to meet in the center. Flatten and straighten. You're now ready to fold the remaining width of the barrier in half, meeting edge to edge. Now that your large Aqua-Barrier has been neatly folded, it's time to begin the rolling process. With 3 workers, pull the end of the barrier to meet the halfway point of its full length. Next, grab one of the PVC pipes your barrier was shipped with and insert it into the folded end. Be sure to pull it tight and press the barrier material in from the top to set the second PVC pipe on. You will then use the top pipe as leverage to start the rolling process. With 1 worker on each end and 1 in the middle, you can roll your Aqua-Barrier with manpower alone. Alternatively, you may have construction equipment available on-site that may make the process easier. However, work with caution, as using this method could damage the barrier if the proper precautions are not met. In our example, we will be using a forklift with a tire mounted to the end to protect our barrier from punctures and tears. With a soft, blunt endpoint, use your equipment to both lift and push to roll your Aqua-Barrier easily in the field, with 2 extra workers observing and straightening the roll as needed. Once rolled, your Aqua-Barrier is now ready for shipment and storage.